Built for professional contractors who rely on their miter saws day in and day out. Introducing the new Makita LS1018. It's the latest in Makita's expanding lineup of best-in-class miter saws. The LS1018 weighs only 43.7 pounds for added job site portability. Pros demand accuracy, and the linear ball bearing system is engineered to deliver smooth, dead-on accuracy, cut after cut. At 90 degrees, the LS1018 has a full 12 inches of cross-cutting capacity with 8.5-inch capacity at 45 degrees. The saw miters 0 to 47 degrees left and 0 to 60 degrees right, and bevel cuts from 0 degrees to 45 degrees left and right. The ergonomic rubberized handle design with larger trigger has a better fit for added comfort. It's powered by a direct drive 13-amp motor with soft start, so you'll get smoother startups and constant power with no belts to slip or replace. Get the cutting performance and accuracy for the most demanding jobs. Get the LS1018 10-inch dual slide compound miter saw from Makita.
This is the Bosch CM10GD dual bevel glide miter saw. This saw combines evolutionary performance with revolutionary design. Remodelers, trim carpenters, and woodworkers will appreciate the unbelievable engineering that went into this space-saving design. This patented axial glide system provides consistent precision over the life of the tool while saving you up to 10 inches of workspace. Notice how there are no rails? With this design, you can push this right up against the wall. The glide action also allows for unmatched smoothness of cut. With 12-inch nominal horizontal capacity, 5-inch vertical capacity, and 6-inch crown capacity against the fence, you get an expanded cutting capacity on this 10-inch saw. Upfront bevel controls mean no more reaching to the back of the tool. Make adjustments quickly and easily. The integrated crown chop lock lets you lock the head in place for maximum chop cutting capacity for upright base molding and nested crown. Easily set up the bevel with the tall 4¼ fences for increased crown molding capacity. So this is it, the Bosch CM10GD 10-inch dual bevel glide miter saw. You really have to try this thing to believe how smooth it is. For more information on this tool, reference this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch miter saws.
Capacity. In addition to being a light and compact 12-inch compound sliding miter saw, the DWS780 provides 13¾ inch horizontal capacity to cut 2x14 lumber, and up to a stunning 16-inch horizontal capacity when using the back fence feature. Its capacity is a whopping 6¾ inches when cutting base molding vertically, combined with its 7.5-inch nested crown capacity. This 12-inch, 56-pound miter saw has the largest total capacity of any miter saw on the market.
Unrivaled durable precision, unparalleled smoothness, unquestionable breakthrough. Introducing the 12-inch dual bevel axial glide miter saw from Bosch. Another game-changing innovation from the leader in professional tools. The new axial glide miter saw is more than a new way to cross-cut, bevel, and miter. It's an engineering breakthrough that delivers significant advantages over traditional miter saws. The innovation begins with our patented axial glide system, which incorporates a robust cast aluminum arm and sealed ball bearings, working in tandem with the soft fence, base, and controls to achieve unprecedented durability and precision. By eliminating the rails, the axial glide system does away with rail deterioration from repeat use and abuse. So time-consuming recalibration is a thing of the past, and accuracy is never in doubt. The glide saw's innovative railless design also dramatically reduces the tool's depth to achieve an amazingly compact footprint, up to 12 inches smaller than competitive saws, so it works easily in tight spaces or even right against a workspace wall. Best of all, no other miter saw feels like the Axial Glide, delivering the ultimate in smooth glide action and control at all angles, especially on compound cuts. And its distinctive design assures that same smooth precision, cut after cut, year after year, for the life of the tool. The new glide saw also delivers a major advantage in cutting capacity, up to 14 inches for crosscuts and 6.5 inches for molding. So whether cutting base or crown molding, dimensional lumber or 4x4s, its expanded capacity means more work in less time with single cut precision. Another award-winning innovation, upfront bevel controls located on the front of the saw, eliminates the awkward reach to the rear of the saw and makes bevel adjustments quick and easy. Just lift the bevel lock lever and tilt the head. Adjust for right bevel. It's that simple. The Glide Saw's square lock quick release sliding fences also allow one-touch adjustment for extra support on bevel cuts, while its cast-in scales provide at-a-glance reference for repeat cuts, and removal is just as easy. The Axial Glide is also the only saw on the market with integrated expanding base extensions that provide up to 40 inches of added support for long pieces, 60% more than competitive saws. A large, easy-to-read bevel scale provides quick reference indicators for all common, crown, and roof angles, while the stainless steel miter scales and 10 positive miter detents allow speedy adjustment for the most common miter cuts. And a push-button miter
Keep your cuts precise with the CRAFTSMAN V20 20V Max 7.25 inch sliding miter saw kit. This saw's sliding rails allow for 8-inch max cross cuts, as well as nested crown molding cuts and vertical baseboard cuts. The miter allows for single bevel cuts and an LED cut line for added precision. The powerful V20 20V Max lithium-ion battery with an LED state of charge indicator allows for over 500 cuts on one charge. And the side handles make the lightweight saw easy to carry. Get the job done right with the V20 20V Max 7.25 inch sliding miter saw kit, part of the CRAFTSMAN V20 system. CRAFTSMAN, we build pride.